Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you top N and bottom N customer how to create chart in through Tableau. Now let's begin. So now I came in Tableau desktop. I am going to select customer name and then profit and bring in customer name in color section, changing the graph and then customer name in color section. Okay, so after that what we require to sort the customer name. So sort that in descending by field. Okay, so now we got customer name by profit. We require to create parameter. So for creating the parameter, click on customer name and then create new parameter. Then here you can write down top and then change as a integer. Click value. At present I am going to write down the 5. If you require 10, 20 according to your business, you can write down here. Then okay. For same thing I am going to do for the bottom. So I am going to duplicate the parameter. So creating the duplicate parameter, then going for the edit and changing here name bottom. This is not required because already I had kept change as integer. Then go for OK. So our two parameter top bottom and top and ready. Now we require to create set. So I will just go in customer name and create set and then write down here top and change here in top and then field top and then here change customer name parameter. Okay, same thing I am going to do, duplicating that and then changing the name as a bottom and then field bottom and parameter also bottom parameter, apply. Okay, so now our top n and bottom n both set ready. Now we require to combine. So click on both field and then go for create combine set. Now we require to keep proper name. So I'm going to write here top and bottom and click here OK. So now our new set ready. So drop and drag this set and keep in filter section. So now you can see here our top n and bottom n is ready. At present I have written 5 so it is showing 5. If you require top 10 customer or bottom 10 customer, you can change according to your business. So that's all for today video. Catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your time.